65 is the natural number following 64 and preceding 66. In mathematics, 65 is the 23rd semi-prime and the third of the form. It is an octagonal number. It is also a Cullen number. Given 65, the Mertens function returns 0. 65 has an aliquot sum of 19 and is the first composite number in the 19 aliquot tree. This number is the magic constant of 5 by 5 normal magic square. This number is also the magic constant of n-Queen's problem for n equals 5. 65 is the smallest integer that can be expressed as a sum of two distinct positive squares in two ways. 65 equals 82 plus 12 equals 72 plus 42. It appears in the Padovan sequence, preceded by the terms 28, 37, 49. There are only 65 known Euler's ideal numbers. In base 14, 65 is a cyclic number. 65 equals 15 plus 24 plus 33 plus 42 plus 51. 65 is the length of the hypotenuse of four different Pythagorean triangles, the lowest number to have more than two. 652 equals 162 plus 632 equals 332 plus 562 equals 392 plus 522 equals 252 plus 602. The first two are primitive, and 65 is the lowest number to be the largest side of more than one such triple. In science, the atomic number of terbium, a lanthanide. Astronomy, Messier object M65, a galaxy of magnitude 10.5 in the constellation Leo. The New General Catalogue object NGC 65, a spiral galaxy in the constellation Cetus. The Saros number of the series of solar eclipses that began on April 24, 749 BCE, and ended in May 513 CE. The duration of the Saros series 65 was 1,262.1 years, and it contained 71 solar eclipses. The Saros number of the series of lunar eclipses that began on August 11, 736 BCE, and ended in February 797 CE. The duration of Saros series 65 was 1,532.5 years, and it contained 86 lunar eclipses. In music, 65 Love Affair, singer Paul Davis's hit song in 1982. Sammy Hagar re-recorded his hit, I Can't Drive 55, with the 55 changed to 65. In 2001, for NBC's NASCAR broadcasts to reflect higher speed limits, the song was used from 2001 until 2004 to introduce Budweiser Pole Award winners. On NBC and TNT broadcasts, 65 is a commonly used abbreviation for the Sheffield, UK, post-rock band 65 Days Off Static, referenced in Heroes and Villains by the Beach Boys. At 60 and 5, I'm very much alive, I've still got the jive to survive with the heroes and villains. Odd Future group Mellow Hype has performed a song entitled 65. In other fields, 65 is a common speed limit, in miles per hour, on expressways in many U.S. states, primarily in the eastern and central United States. The designation of Interstate 65, the interstate highway that runs from northwestern Indiana to southmost Alabama, plus 65 is the code for international direct dial telephone calls to Singapore. The traditional age for retirement in the United Kingdom, Germany, the United States, Canada, and several other countries. The HA number of the U.S. Navy's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the US Enterprise. 65 is the minimum grade or average required to pass an exam, or a class, in some schools. The setting of the American classic TV series Naked City was the 65th precinct in New York City. The number of the French department Haute-Pyrénées, 65 is commonly used in names of many dishes of South India cuisine, for instance chicken 65. The M65 field jacket was commonly worn by American troops during the war in Vietnam. The age, in the U.S., at which a person is eligible to obtain Medicare. In sports, motip rider Loris Capirossi races with number 65.